The best foods for boosting your immune system. A strong immune system helps to keep a person healthy. The immune system consists of organs, cells, tissues, and proteins. Together, these carry out bodily processes that fight off pathogens, which are the viruses, bacteria, and foreign bodies that cause infection or disease. When the immune system comes into contact with a pathogen, it triggers an immune response. The immune system releases antibodies, which attach to antigens on the pathogens and kill them. Incorporating specific foods into the diet may strengthen a person's immune response. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries have antioxidant properties that may boost the immune system. Blueberries contain a type of flavonoid called anthocyanin, which has antioxidant properties that can help boost a person's immune system. Flavonoids play an essential role in the respiratory tract's immune defense system. Researchers found that people who ate foods rich in flavonoids were less likely to get an upper respiratory tract infection, or common cold, than those who did not. 5. Blueberries contain antioxidants that can help to keep your immune system strong. This antioxidant is a type of flavonoid called anthocyanin. 6. Research has shown that eating foods rich in flavonoids can help fight off respiratory infections and the winter cold. 8.
Blackberries contain vitamin A. A recent study conducted by the Journal of Periodontal Research found that blackberries had shown to have antibacterial properties as well as anti-inflammatory and antiviral effects.
Berries appear to have immune-boosting benefits due to their polyphenol content, a type of plant antioxidant that gives berries like blueberries. Polyphenols are linked with preventing cell damage, and they interact with our gut bacteria to reduce inflammation, enhancing immune response. This in turn plays an important role in the prevention of underlying inflammatory conditions, like cancer. 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains an antioxidant called theobromine, which may help to boost the immune system by protecting the body's cells from free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that the body produces when it breaks down food or comes into contact with pollutants. Free radicals can damage the body's cells and may contribute to disease. Despite its potential benefits, dark chocolate is high in calories and saturated fat, so it is important to eat it in moderation. We strongly believe dark chocolate consumption has a positive impact on the human immune system. Research has shown that eating dark chocolate increases T-cell activation and cellular immune responses. A resilient immune system and strong body resistance are especially important at times like these. Phenolic compounds can strengthen the defenses of our immune system and help our body's resistance. Cocoa is a food relatively rich in polyphenols, which makes it a potent antioxidant. It is well known to improve our blood circulation, another important factor in immune response. It is high in energy, packed with vitamins and minerals, and super long-lasting. In it, he and his colleagues explained that cocoa powder contains up to 50 milligrams of polyphenols per gram, with a single serving containing more phenolic antioxidants than most foods and drinks, including apples, cranberry juice, red wine, and black tea. The main flavonols found in cocoa are epicatechin and catechin, as well as procyanidins, which provide the most antioxidants. In addition, cocoa is a concentrated source of fiber, magnesium, potassium, and arginine, an amino acid that helps blood vessels dilate. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow spice that many people use in cooking. It is also present in some alternative medicines. Consuming turmeric may improve a person's immune response. This is due to the qualities of curcumin, a compound in turmeric. Curcumin has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric is a powerful herb with over 300 nutrients including beta-carotene, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, calcium, flavonoids, fiber, iron, niacin, potassium, zinc among others. But the active compound which has caught the attention of scientists, supplement industries and food technologists is curcumin for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Absorption of curcumin from turmeric is enhanced by 2,000 times by peppering, a compound present in black pepper. Turmeric powder contains a powerful multifunctional antioxidant called curcumin, the most abundant of the curcuminoids in its roots. 4. Oily fish. Salmon, tuna, pilchards, and other oily fish are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. According to a 2014 report, long-term intake of omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of rheumatoid arthritis, RA. RA is a chronic autoimmune condition that occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks a healthy part of the body. 1. Research has shown that the benefits of omega-3s EPA and DHA can extend beyond heart, brain and eye health, to help support optimal immunity. As consumers become increasingly aware of the benefits of omega-3s, what role do these fatty acids play in enhancing an individual's immune response throughout life? Omega-3s are typically associated with their well-known benefits for eye, heart and brain health, but not necessarily for other health benefits such as immunity, sports performance, quality of sleep and mood. Omega-3 fatty acids, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, have a role to play in this orchestra and are showing growing promise in supporting immune health. EPA and DHA are found in oily fish, fish oils, lean fish oils, algal oils, krill oil and in concentrated pharmaceutical preparations, but these can vary widely in their omega-3 content and portion size. For instance, the bacterial colonization of the gut starts early and continues to develop throughout the child's life to support immunological responsiveness. Research shows that omega-3s EPA and DHA play an important role in reducing allergic inflammation in the early years, a theory that has been explored in recent years. The anti-inflammatory benefits of omega-3s also extend beyond childhood, to support individuals' immune health as they age. While inflammation is a key part of immune response, ongoing inflammation can negatively impact health and cause tissue damage. Recent research shows that EPA and DHA produce specialized pro-resolution mediators, SPMs. In fact, higher EPA blood levels have even been shown to improve an individual's response to the current treatment for rheumatoid arthritis. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is another source of vitamin C. It also contains potent antioxidants, such as sulforaphane. For these reasons, it is a good choice of vegetable to eat regularly to support immune system health.
Broccoli is very healthy and rich in nutrition like fiber, protein, sugar, calories, vitamins K, A, B, C and E, calcium, magnesium, selenium and water which provide complete nutrition to the body and fulfill all requirements.
Broccoli is a high source of fiber and contains high protecting antioxidants. Because overcooked broccoli can reduce vitamin C, sugar and protein, nutritionists suggest microwaving, stir-frying and steaming broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-packed powerhouse to support your immune system. 1 cup of broccoli provides as much vitamin C as an orange. The veggie is also high in beta-carotene, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and iron. Broccoli supplies an array of B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, and B6. Together, these vitamins and minerals help the immune system to run in top form. Another healthy compound offered up by broccoli, glutathione, the master antioxidant in the body. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that gives the skin of the potatoes its orange color. Beta-carotene is a source of vitamin A. 1 medium sweet potato packs a whopping 120% of the daily value of vitamin A and 30% of the daily value of vitamin C, all for just 100 calories. Sweet potatoes are a cholesterol-free and fat-free food, so you get all the helpful, immune-boosting vitamins without the guilt. Sweet potatoes serve up a healthy portion of fiber, too. 7. Spinach. Spinach may boost the immune system, as it contains many essential nutrients and antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin E. Vitamin C and E can help support the immune system. Flavonoids may help to prevent the common cold in otherwise healthy people. Spinach gets top billing as a superfood thanks to its high content of folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, magnesium, and iron. The nutrients in spinach boost immune function and provide the body with necessary nutrients for cell division and DNA repair. 8. Ginger. People use ginger in a variety of dishes and desserts, as well as in teas. According to a review, ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties and is likely to offer health benefits. However, more research is necessary to confirm whether or not it can effectively prevent illness. Antioxidant compounds in ginger root have potent anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Normal metabolic processes in the body, infections, and toxins all contribute to the production of free radicals resulting in oxidative stress. Antioxidants in foods like ginger quench free radicals and help guard against arthritis, cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and many other conditions. Grate some fresh ginger and steep it in hot water to make tea. Fresh grated ginger also makes a great addition to healthy stir-fried veggies. Ginger has proven antibacterial and antiviral properties. 9. Garlic. Garlic may help to prevent colds. Garlic is a common home remedy for the prevention of colds and other illness. The group of participants taking a placebo had more than double the number of colds between them than those taking the garlic supplements. People have praised garlic for ages for its immune-boosting properties. Garlic has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. The bulbs are rich in antioxidants that quench free radicals that play a role in Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, cancers, and other conditions. The antiviral properties may be helpful in reducing the severity of colds, flu or COVID-19 infections. In one study, people who took garlic supplements during cold season caught fewer colds than those who took placebo pills. If you do catch a cold, garlic can shorten the duration of it. If you do try garlic supplements, be mindful that the one you choose contains the active ingredients contained in real garlic. Garlic boosts the portion of the immune system that is tasked with fighting viruses and cancer. Several studies have documented a link between garlic use and reduced rates of many different types of cancers. People who regularly consume lots of raw or cooked garlic have 30% to 35% fewer colorectal cancers than those who do not eat the alum. In one small study of people who had inoperable pancreatic, colorectal, or liver cancers, immune function was improved when participants took aged garlic extract for 6 months. 10. Green tea. Green tea contains only a small amount of caffeine, so people can enjoy it as an alternative to black tea or coffee. Drinking it may also strengthen the immune system. As with blueberries, green tea contains flavonoids, which may reduce the risk of a cold. About half the population in the United States drinks tea regularly. Antioxidants in tea called polyphenols and flavonoids are credited with boosting immune function. These compounds may also reduce the risk of heart disease. Drinking green tea favorably affects blood lipids, increasing good HDL cholesterol and decreasing LDL bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and total cholesterol. The health benefits of green tea are numerous. It is a natural anti-stress agent, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, polyphenols. Green tea has interesting properties for our immune system. Its polyphenol content, and in particular EGCG, gives it several beneficial properties. Indeed, these active ingredients are known for their antioxidant properties but also for their role on our immune system. They effectively promote immunity against foreign pathogens and help fight against the action of free radicals. It is also a support for our metabolism. Antioxidants are essential to our well-being. They help prevent many diseases by protecting our body against the action of free radicals and premature aging of cells. Antioxidants are therefore useful to our body for our long-term health and well-being. In short, together with a balanced and varied diet rich in good nutrients and regular exercise, green tea helps to boost our immune system naturally. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.